Hi guys, and welcome back to another channel review. Today we are going to be reviewing Oluwabusolami's channel. Yeah, and remember, like I would always say, you would always learn one thing or the other from these channel reviews that I do on my channel, because I'm doing this to support those who are growing on YouTube. Okay, so you're going to always learn one thing or the other. And then I have a lot more to do before the end of this year, and I have to finish all of this before the end of this year. So let me just be reviewing and posting on my channel as soon as I can. Okay, so let's click on Oluwabusolami. Okay, so her name is Busolami Ceey. She's having 289 subscribers and 10 videos. Wow, I'm eager to check. Okay, so let's view channel. And like I would always do, I'll go to the description box first. She says, "Hi, I'm Oluwabusolami, a student and YouTube creator." Yeah, big ups to all of those students out there who are also filming, because I know combining your studies with YouTube sometimes can be overwhelming. I'm excited to share my experiences, fun moments, and journey with you all. Stay tuned and join me for lifestyle content and real conversations. Subscribe to my channel for new videos, okay? So she also has her email there. Yes, this is one thing. In case you do not have your email address on your description box, you want to put it there, because brands might want to reach out to you. People might want to reach out to you for business deals and all of that. So you want to ensure that your email address is there. Okay, so she said she does lifestyle content and real conversations. So let's go into her channel. Like I would always do, the playlist first. So she has 3 playlists here: lifestyle and vlogs, fun challenges and games, then relationships and red flags, which is what she already told us on her channel that that's what she does. So her channel looks organized. So let's go with her lifestyle and vlogs first. Okay, so let's look at we can see here 2 years ago, 11 months ago, 4 days ago. So I'm supposing she just returned on YouTube after a long time. Okay, you're welcome back, darling. So let me go with her most recent video, which was published 4 days ago, and it's having 187 views for someone who is having 200 and something subscribers. This is impressive, my darling. Yay! On your way to viral video. Let's click.
Attend parties a lot doesn't mean you will fail, and the fact that you do not attend parties doesn't mean you would pass.
Okay, guys, I think I increased the speed the other time. Abi? No, it's the normal speed now. Why is it very fast? Anyway, let's continue.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Oluwabusolami. Kindly subscribe.
She looks so cute. So cute.
So guys, in today's video I'll be answering self-made questions on my 100 level experience, how my 100 level went, things I gained, things I regret, all of that in uni Osun, which is Osun State University. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, so the title says reflecting on 100 level, my uni Osun experience, and it's actually very good. So now the title is direct. She's directing it to people who are in school, who are in 100 level, or those who are looking to get into school, because of course they would want to know what the experience is like. Then she says my uni Osun experience. So she mentioned the name of the university. So people who would see this and who are looking to get into that school, or who just got into that school, or who are already students, would definitely be interested in this kind of video. So it's a very good one. So you want to be very intentional with your title and your description. Even in her description, she did the same thing. Okay, she said she's sharing her 100 level experience at Osun State University. Okay, so and then she told them what to expect: exciting stories, valuable lessons, and unforgettable moments. Now her intro was actually good, very fast though, but Oluwabusolami, it was too fast. Hey, I even thought I increased the speed, but it was good anyways. And then the graphical introduction to was not so long, so you don't bore your viewers. It was actually good. Okay, let's continue, because I need to review more channels today.
I remember when I resumed, but I got to Osun State, and I got to Osun State January 6th, 2023, but like
Then another thing is she has that subscribe something in her video too. So anybody watching would be moved to subscribe also. Okay, so let's continue. I wanted to shift, but I don't know how I'm going to edit this, so let me just leave it like that.
Stayed at a family friend's place before I actually.
Okay, so one thing I just sorry, I really observe things, right? So one thing I just observed, Oluwabusolami, is that your background music is way louder than your voice. Like it is too loud. Okay, so it's making your what you're saying to be quite overshadowed. So you want to ensure that your background music is just soft. That's why it's a background music. It's supposed to be softly playing beneath, underneath. Okay.
To campus. My first month in uni, I can't even explain because I didn't like my first month in uni. I felt left out, I felt distant, I felt like I wasn't accepted, I felt like I wasn't meant to be here. I didn't like my first month.
Okay, so one thing I've noticed about YouTube videos is I'm going to drop a 2025 update right from YouTube. But one thing I've noticed about YouTube videos is you connect more with people with story time, right? And when you are just giving people stories from your own experience, you tend to connect more with people, and those videos are usually very interesting and exciting. People would want to stay. Okay, this is something. And then the way she's even talking, she's so relatable, like she's so passionate about what she's saying. People would want to stay and watch. But Oluwa Busalami, please work on your background music, okay?
If I'm being honest with you all, I didn't enjoy my first month in uni. My first month in uni is not something I would even want to experience again. It's not something I want to. Nah. I didn't enjoy my first month in uni. I just felt different from people. When I'm
Okay, so let me fast forward.
surprised, like, why would you guys want to do this to us? We innocent freshers, why would you want to do that to us?
Now, I know that some people who are just starting up on YouTube, if you're a small channel, right, sometimes your camera quality might not be so, or your phone camera quality might not be so top notch, but you want to ensure that your audio quality is very good, especially if you're doing a sit down video like she's doing it on this particular video. It's a sit down video, so you want to ensure that your audio quality, they can hear you clearly, so that they wouldn't mind the visual quality of your video. Do you understand? That's one very important thing. And then this one just reminded me of, like, if you're a cooking channel too, I've seen some cooking channels that need to really work on their videos. If you're a cooking channel, you want to work on the visual quality of your video. Don't just snap anything and just post. People will not watch. Do you understand?
Even start reading early, it was an extra shock to me because what do you mean I have courses every day? I have exams right every day.
Oh wow! I noticed that she even included the location. I just saw it here. Can you see Ocean State University? I do not include my own location for safety purposes. Yeah, because it's public. Anybody can see this. So for safety purposes. But yeah, since hers is like a school and schools are, I think hers is exceptional, sure.
What they are coming in 100 level. In 100 level, I didn't have.
So I want to just move over to her outro. I want to see how she ended this video.
Going to still read my books, do you understand? And I wish I knew how to read and actually succeed better. Your level was confusing for me because I didn't know what I was doing. I was just confused in my 100 level. So I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like this video.
I'm sorry, my alarm went off, so it stopped it. Okay, the way she ended her video, she told people to also subscribe, and then she didn't make her outro too long. She also told people, okay, blah blah blah, and then she told them, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and all of that. So, all in all, I would say Oluwabusolami's channel is actually a good one. The only thing I see that she needs to improve on is her audio quality. I'm thinking of checking one more video, but I don't want this one to now be too long. Let me just quickly look at something else. Let me check another playlist. The one on relationship, because relationship topics are usually very interesting. So this one says red flag exposed. Boys review their biggest something. Let me see. Boys review their biggest turn-offs in girls. I remember when I first started too. I remember that period. I also did something like this. Boys talking about what they don't like about girls or something. Oh, I don't even know, but I know I've done something like this before in school. I think that's why I can really relate with her.
Jesus, it was so embarrassing. I didn't get ever told you before.
Okay, so I think Oluwabusolami, you have a very nice channel, but you just want to improve on your audio. Of course, there's room for growth, right? There's room for growth. You also the video I shot on my first, how I reacted to my first video on YouTube, my very first video on YouTube, and I've grown over the years. So there's room for growth, Oluwabusolami. Your videos are doing quite well, okay, and it's very impressive. Okay, so keep it up. Yeah, keep it up, but improve on your video quality and your audio quality. So even if you have people like this talking, you want to stay in a place where you want to ensure that their voices are coming out clear, okay, so that the people need to hear. That's just it. Okay, so I just think that's what you need to improve on, and just a little more stuff on your video, but you are direct, you go straight to the point, which is a very good one. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching this one. Don't forget to do not skip my ads, and yeah, like, comment, share what you think in the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. I wish you all success on your channels. Merry Christmas in advance. Mwah.